The Medium Mirrorless Core Unit provides protection for prosumer and mirrorless sized camera bodies. It fits smaller and pro-sized lenses up to a 70-200 mounted. Its shallow depth contributes to an overall lower backpack profile, making it ideal for agile adventures. It has a fold-over lip to add protection for taller items, but it also adds an extra corner of protection when packing shorter items. A medium mirrorless core unit can also be stacked with a small DSLR core unit for an extra boost in carryability. Each core unit comes with its own removable skin, ideal for dust protection when stored or as a packing cell for traveling in the field. Our medium mirrorless core unit is designed to fit inside all Explorer series backpacks and our carry-on roller. Shimoda core units are the core of the Shimoda camera bag system. Each unit is made from a compression molded EVA with a single layer wall and divider design. This eliminates frustrating battles with traditional Velcro dividers. Each divider features a tapered base to allow simple catch-free configurations. Core units are available in multiple sizes so you can adapt your camera bag to any adventure. The construction, function, and versatility is unmatched. If you're looking for a core unit for your prosumer or pro mirrorless camera gear, our medium mirrorless core unit is for you.